Let's look at how you can add fields and salary results. Access the menu, salary, parameters, and salary result fields. For that, these are fields which already exist in the system, as it was in the case of accrued salary fields. We do not recommend making corrections here as well, because those corrections may be overwritten while updating the program. So we recommend adding new fields instead, as we did in the case of accrued salary fields, and there should be 5 symbols in the name of those fields as well. We can use the same names here as we did in accrued salary fields. For example, put GG100 here, and the same social assistance, and select numeric type. Check this print button if you want this field to get into specific payrolls automatically. You can specify sequence number here. We will talk about that later. Let's add one more field, and again the name with the same 5 symbols, GG101. Additional bonus. Select numeric type here as well, and now we can find this field in the salary results. Access the menu, salary and salary results, and here in the end of this table you will find fields, social assistance, and additional bonus, but you can find values in these fields only after payroll calculation, and how we can put calculated results in these fields we will consider later. You can find those fields in archive as well. Here in the menu salary results, you will find not only these fields but also history of all calculated payrolls.